Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another cash stuffing. So this is going to be my paycheck for the second week of June. I didn't get to record it last week, so I'm doing it this week. So this week you'll expect my third paycheck from June from my small business. This is what I paid myself, as well as this one right here. So I paid myself a total of $171. So I did cash stuff already my wallet for the week. Everything was wiped out of my wallet because the kids are home for the summer. So after the wallet, I was left with 171, and I'm going to put it towards basically all my binders, especially my savings challenges. So let's start counting the money and let's start cash stuffing. Okay, so the first thing I wanted to do is my change. So I do have my change jar over here that I will add this change to. So this is my change that I have for the week. I'm just going to put it inside of my jar. Okay, so let's get to counting. So this is my bank bag. All right, so let's start from the back. So we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, and $1. So $171 we'll be cash stuffing into our binders today. Okay, so let me move this over to the side, and we're gonna get started with my 6 months of expenses. So let's do that first. So it's gonna be this one right here. Okay, so let's get started. Let me just take this out real quick. Okay, so 6 months of expenses. Okay. Okay, so for car note, it's going to get $5. Okay, so we're going to add 5 to this. And now we have a total of 20, 40, 50, 55 in car note. Okay, groceries is going to get $5. Okay, so now we have a total of 20, 40, 50, 60. So we have $60 in groceries. So the money is growing slowly as we go every week. Okay, so mortgage is going to get $20. So I'm just going to add a 20 to it. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 100, 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. So $149 in mortgage. Car insurance is going to get $5. Okay, so now we have a total of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. So car insurance has a total of $54. Okay, so cell phone is going to get $5. Okay, so now we have 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53. $53 in cell phone. Okay, water is going to get $5. So this week was a really slow week in the business. And I did add a lot towards my wallet because, again, the kids are home from school for the summer. So I had to add more to my wallet. But this week was definitely a slow week in the business. If you don't have my business information or don't know what I do, I basically sell budgeting tools for you guys. So everything that you see featured in this video is linked down below. So you can check out my website. And also I have items from my website available in the description box. So and if you guys have any questions, please leave a comment. Okay, so for water, we added 5. So did I add the 5? 40, okay, let's count. 20, 30, 40, 50. So now we have $50 in water. And electricity is going to get a total of $5. So that makes it 20, 40, 50, 55. So that's a total of $55 in electricity. Now we're going to move on to my sinking funds. So these are my low priority sinking funds as well as my business bills. So, and I did do some new envelopes for this and is available in my shop. This is the ice cream collection cash envelopes. So let's get started on sinking funds. Okay, so for kids, it's going to get a total of $5. So now we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70. So we have a total of $70 in kids. Okay, holidays is going to get $20. So 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, so now we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. So we have a total of $149 for holiday. Back to school is going to get a total of $10. Now that's coming up in August, so I'm going to try to stuff a little bit more in here. So I'm going to add 10 to this. So now we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 75. So back to school has a total of $75. Wait, did I count that right? Yeah, 75. Okay, and birthdays is going to get a total of $5. Okay, these have to get like broke into. Okay, so birthdays is going to get $5. So now we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 65. So $65 for birthday. And now we're going to add to my business bills. So Cricut and Canva is not going to get anything this week because I have everything already for July. Shopify is going to get a total of $10. So we have $15 in here right now. So now we have a total of $25 in Shopify. Okay, and then taxes is only going to get $5. Okay, so taxes has 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65. So taxes has 65. And again, Cricut and Canva is not going to get anything because I have enough for both subscriptions. Okay, so that is it for my sinking funds and my business bills. Now we're going to move on to savings challenges. We have a couple of savings challenges. The only one I'm not going to do is my dollar savings challenge because I did do a short. I did put in $3 in there during the week, last week. So let's start with our self-care. Okay, so our self-care savings challenge is going to get $10. Okay, where's my markers? So let's color in 2 hearts. And let's add $10 to that. Okay, so now in our self-care challenge, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 75. So we have 75 in our self-care challenge. Okay, now our holiday challenge, we're gonna add $10 to that as well. So we're gonna color 2 of the presents. Let's do it. Let's do it yellow as well. There's 1 and there's 2. Okay, so we're adding 10 to this. So the total now is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 75. So we have a total of $75 in holiday. And sorry for the background noise. If you hear like anything, that's just my toddler playing with my oldest as I do this video. And he's very active right now that the girls are home. Okay, so roll the dice challenge. I have allocated $6 for that. So let's roll the dice and see what we get. Okay. So our first roll is going to be 3. Okay, so I don't have change, but I am going to put a 5 in. I think I'm going to do that and think I'm going to stop here. Okay, so I'm just going to add $5 to this because I don't have change. I only have $1. So I'm just going to add 5 to it and color in a 3. So let's do the green one. I'm going to color in a 3 and add 5. Okay, and this is all I'm doing for that. And then that $1, I'm guessing I'm going to add it to my dollar savings challenge. So let's add this 5 in. Our roll of dice challenge. Okay, there goes that. And then we're going to add that $1 to this right here. Okay, so let's just mark one more. So now we have a total of $6 in here. So let's just add this to this. Okay, so that's going to be it for this right here. We did everything in here. So now we're left with $15 for our, am I missing something? Okay, no. Okay, so on my monthly savings challenge, remember we had to add 25 to that June envelope. And then we have one more left. So let's go to June. See, we scratched off 25. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So let's add 25 to that. And then we have one more left. I am going to scratch it off to see. You know what? We'll scratch it off next week. Let's do that. Let's scratch it off next week. Okay, so there goes that. $25 for a monthly savings challenge. And we're almost done. We just have one more left. And then I'm going to add $15 to my 100 envelope savings challenge. Okay, so let's open this up. We know it's pink. I mean $15. So I'm going to add $15 to my 100 envelope challenge. So there goes 15. And that is the next number. 15 is right here. So we have $15 left. Let's go ahead and add it to this. Okay, so there we go. So every dollar got a home. And that is it for this cash stuffing video. Stay tuned this week. Maybe by the end of the week, maybe Friday, I want to say, or Saturday, I will be doing paycheck number 3 for June because I missed last week. And I want to just keep up with it, like keep myself accountable, showing you guys, you know, how much the money is growing in my binders. So, yeah, guys, this is it for right now. I will definitely see you guys in the next video. Make sure you share this video with someone, like and comment whatever questions you guys have. If I can answer them, I'm definitely going to answer them. And make sure you check out my shop below. We do have a lot of new items in stock. I did do more cash stuffing envelopes, like different designs. I have a summer collection. And also on Saturday, I'm going to drop, I'll show you these real quick. I'm going to drop these on Saturday. So These are just different designs. This is going to be part of the pink collection. And I think I have the ones for the summer available to show you guys. I think, no, it's not in here. Okay. But definitely I did do a video on that showing you guys how those look. So I do have the summer collection. They're pretty cute. And yeah, guys, I will definitely see you guys in the next video. Bye.